So today, UTEP Mechanical Engineering Program and the KIC Center is here with our graduate students, Dr. Medina and his graduate students, to be able to do a small session on the 10th graders and the seniors that are in the STEM program, and they will be learning software Fusion 360.
Today, we're getting help from UTEP to learn Fusion, which is an AutoCAD program, because we have to design a nose cone for a rocket, and we actually have to 3D print it and design it ourselves. So they're helping us learn the program so we can build the nose cone ourselves and go fly the rocket in Fredericksburg.
And with Fusion 360, we are learning how to design parts for a rocket, which will be 3D printed at UTEP. So I'm planning to go into architecture. Actually, my STEM path here in high school has been helping me decide what I want to study.
Very thankful for this opportunity because we're getting a very expensive program for free, and we're getting to learn it, and so it's just an amazing opportunity.